Hello and welcome to this special presentation on how artificial intelligence is changing the world. Over the past few years, AI has become an integral part of our lives, impacting everything from healthcare to finance and even transportation. In this video, we'll explore some of the ways in which AI is making a difference in the world today. One area where AI is having a significant impact is in healthcare. AI-powered tools are being used to analyze medical data and assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, predicting patient outcomes, and even developing personalized treatment plans. By harnessing the power of machine learning and other AI technologies, doctors are able to provide better care to their patients and save more lives. Another area where AI is having a transformative effect is manufacturing. AI-powered robots are being used to automate routine tasks, allowing human workers to focus on more complex and creative work. This not only increases efficiency and productivity but also makes the workplace safer for everyone involved. Self-driving cars are another example of how AI is changing the world. By using advanced sensors and machine learning algorithms, these vehicles are able to navigate roads and avoid accidents without human intervention. This has the potential to revolutionize transportation, reduce traffic congestion, and make our roads safer for everyone. AI is also being used in agriculture to improve crop yields and reduce waste. By using drones equipped with cameras and sensors, farmers can monitor their crops more efficiently and identify potential problems before they become serious issues. This allows them to take action quickly and avoid losses, ultimately leading to more sustainable and profitable farming practices. Finally, AI is making a big impact in education as well. AI-powered learning tools are being used to personalize education for each student, providing them with individualized instruction that suits their learning style and pace. This not only helps students learn more effectively but also makes education more accessible to a wider range of learners. AI is changing the world in amazing ways, from healthcare to manufacturing, transportation, agriculture, and education. It's transforming the way we live and work, and opening up new possibilities for the future. But as with any transformative technology, there are also challenges to consider. We need to ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly and that it benefits everyone, not just a privileged few. We also need to address concerns about job displacement and the impact of AI on privacy and security. As we continue to explore the potential of AI, let's keep these issues in mind and work together to create a future that is both innovative and equitable. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has given you a glimpse into the amazing possibilities of artificial intelligence. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date on the latest developments in this exciting field.